Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create like a paired paper effect in Canva. So let's get started. So here I have my Canva editing page. I'm using the Instagram post size, and then what you have to do is go to elements and then go to frames. When you scroll down you will see the frames option. Click see all, and then when you scroll a bit down you will see a lot of like paired paper effect. So I'm just gonna use this one maybe. Yeah, and then you can resize it if you like, and then go to photos or upload the photo you want. I think I'm just going to use
this one, and then just incorporate that into the frame, and you can resize it if you want. And then choose another picture to go on the other side of the frame.
and yeah, that's it. You can adjust it, crop it if you want, and do all of those, and click download. And yeah, that's easy as that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.